SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love the 2009 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, XM satellite radio, trip odometer, floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.